Hallo Deutsch. Guten Morgen. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Kursbuch for Class 6. Dear friends, today we are going to learn a new thing from Class 6 book for German. Okay. Do you know English is a Germanic language? When you read Old English, you will find that they are very similar to German. So this is a very long story. Okay, some other time. Now I begin without any formality. Hast du Geschwister? Hast means have, du means you, Geschwister means siblings. So it's a question. Now you notice that Geschwister is written in capital. It has begun with the capital G. Why? Because in German language, every noun begins with a capital letter. Okay. Hast du Geschwister? Have you siblings? The old form of the old English also is like written like this. Hast du, when you read old English or when you read the plays of Shakespeare, you will find that old English is very similar to German and not similar with modern English. Okay, now rest you understand. So today I am going to begin Module ein means module 1, Lektion 3. Lektion 3, it is just an exercise of module 1 and lesson 3. So don't imagine that these words are derived from English. Rather, you must know that the words module and lesson are derived from German, directly or indirectly. Okay. So module ein Lektion 3 means module 1 lesson 3. Okay. Now without any formality, today I have an interesting thing for you. Email, all of you are familiar with email schreiben. Email schreiben means email writing. Yeah, you have understood it well. Schreiben means to write. Okay, schreiben means to write. Okay, in Persian, to write is navisan, yes. Okay, so email schreiben, email writing. These days, in modern language, email has replaced letter writing, the traditional letter writing. Okay, so here I begin without wasting your and my time. So beginning is lieber, or you can notice in bracket R is given. Why so? Lieber, if you are writing, suppose the receiver of the email is a female person, you will write Liebe, that is Lieber. And if the receiver of the email is a male person, then you have to write Lieber. In English, we have only one dear, DEAR, that can be used for both male and female. Okay, in Hindi we have mere priya, meri priya. No, it changes. So Hindi and German has more vocabulary than English. So dear, if then you can write the name Lieber, Lisa, or Lieber Marx. Okay. Now Grush dish. Grush dish means it is greetings. Okay. greetings. For greetings use grüß dich. Okay, welcome or greetings. Okay. Deine Familie ist toll. Deine means your. Familie means family. Ist means is. Toll means great. Deine Familie ist toll. Your family is great. Now, meine Familie ist nicht groß. Meine Familie ist nicht groß. My family is not large. Okay, next. Mein Vater. So here you notice that it is mine, okay, and here it is mine. Whereas in English you find my father, my mother, my brother, my sister means मेरा मेरा पिता, मेरा माता, मेरा बहन, मेरा भाई. Because English has only one my for all the words. But in Hindi we have मेरे पिता, मेरी माता, मेरा भाई, मेरी बहन, मेरे दोस्त. So again, German and Hindi have advantage over English. German and Hindi have more vocabulary than in English. Okay, so for female, if it is female, if it is mother, so Mina will be there, Mary. Okay, and if it is, because in English you won't understand, you will understand in Hindi. And mine means mera, and Mina means Mary. But in English we have only my. You do not have a male or female my. Okay, so mein Vater. So Vater means father. Again, the word father has derived from the German word Vater. Originally, it has come from Sanskrit word. That's a long story to tell you. Okay, mein Vater ist fierces Jahre alt. My father is 40 year. Jahre. Jahre. Let me tell you one more secret, that most of the European languages, unlike English, J is pronounced as year. Okay, so mein Vater ist 40 Jahre alt. My father is 40 years old. Alt means old, you understood, and Jahre means years. Und means and. Okay, now you understand, and has derived from the word und, but D will be pronounced as t. Und meine Mutter. Now you see, when it is father, it is mein Vater. When it is mother, it is meine, means there mere pita, and here meine Mutter, Mutter, Mutter. Again, the word mother and Mutter, you see, has derived from Mutter, originally from where we can discuss it later on. Okay, because the words in English have there is a very long travel when the words have come in English. Okay, from different languages, not from directly from one language it has come. Okay, it has traveled through different languages to reach English. Okay, and now we cherish that. Okay, so meine Mutter ist 39. My mother is 39. Okay, 39. The number I think I have discussed with you, like 9 means 9 and 30 means 30. So in German we do not speak like 39, 49, 59 like that. No, we speak like that: 31, 32, 33, 34. Same way in Persian also we read. Okay, like यकवसी, दोवसी, सीवसी, चाहारवसी, पंचवसी, shashwasi. We speak like that. Okay, so different languages, different types of like reading or learning is there. Okay, now ich habe keine Geschwister. Ich means I, habe means have, keine means are not or is not, Geschwister means siblings. So ich habe keine Geschwister. I have no sister. Sorry, I have no siblings. I have no siblings. Ich habe keine Geschwister. I have no siblings. Aber, A-B-E-R, aber means but. A-B-E-R, aber means but. Aber ich habe viele Freunde. Here it is. Ich habe viele Freunde. I have many friends. Okay. One friend is there. F-R-E-U-N-D. Freund. For one friend. If it is plural, Freunde, E will be there. And if it is a friend who is a female, then it will be Freundin. Freundin. So if it is a male, then it will be Freund. Okay, F-R-E-U-N-D. If it is a female, then it will be Freundin. Okay, and if it is plural, then E will be there, Freunde. So ich habe viele Freunde. I have many friends. Again, the word friend has come from Freund. Now, mein bester Freund. Have you ever tried to think that good is there? So good, gooder, goodest should be there. No, logic is that it should be good, gooder, goodest. How come best come there? Good, better, and best come there. So, you know how cunningly English has taken words from different languages. Okay, better, it is bester. Okay, bester. Okay, bester, bester. When S is used just before T, it will be sh sound. Bester. Okay, so mein bester Freund heißt. My best friend is. Heißt means is. Mein bester Freund heißt who? Lukas. In English you can pronounce it a different way, but here it will be Lukas. Mein bester Freund heißt Lukas. My best friend is Lukas. Now, und means and. Ich habe eine Katze. Now the word cat has come from Katze. But originally from where? That's a very long story to tell. Okay, so here, und ich habe eine Katze and I have a cat. So here you have again in German you have two words for even in number for male and female. Okay, if it is something ein Hund, Hund means dog, ein Hund. So you will have ein Hund means a dog. But if it is a cat, then eine Katze. Okay, if it is male, okay, ein Hund, a dog. But if it is cat, then eine Katze. So ein is for, ein is one, ein means one, E-I-N, ein means one for male, and eine means one for female. So und ich habe eine Katze and I have a cat. Sie heißt Diva. Sie means she. Z also means you. Z also means they. But you will understand when it is she or they or you, that depends on sentence. Sie heißt Diva. She is Diva, or you can say that she is called Diva, the name of the cat. Okay. Wie heißen deine Geschwister? Wie heißen deine Geschwister? What are your siblings called? Wie heißen, what are called? Wie heißen, what are called? How they are known. Okay, how they are called. Wie heißen, how you are called or how they are called. Wie heißen, how you are called. Wie heißen, how they are called. So, wie heißen deine Geschwister? What are called deine Geschwister? Your siblings. What are your siblings called? Means what are their name? You cannot ask in German what is, expression is different. Okay, expression is different. The way of asking question is different in different languages. Okay, like in English we ask what are their names. In German we cannot have the translation of what are their names. We ask in German what are they called, how are they called. Okay, so expression is different in different languages. Und Freunde and friends means what are the names of your friends, what are the names of your siblings. Und hast du eine Katze, and have you a cat? Wie alt sind deine Eltern? Here new word has come. Wie alt, how old. Wie alt, how old. Sind are deine Eltern, your elders. Wie alt sind deine Eltern? How old are your elders? Now we have two words for your. It can be dine, D-E-I-N, dine, your, and D-E-I-N-E, dine, your. Again same thing. Your, if it is for female, if a feminine word follows, then it will be dina. If a masculine noun follows, then it will be dine. If a masculine noun follows, then it will be dine. If a feminine noun follows, then it will be dina. So elders is considered. Oh yeah, one thing here, it is not masculine or feminine elder, it is plural. If a plural noun if a plural noun follows, then it will be dina. If a feminine noun follows, then it will be dina. If a masculine noun follows, then it will be dine. I repeat, if a masculine noun follows, then it will be dine. If a feminine noun follows, then it will be dina. If a plural noun follows, then it will be dina. Okay. Okay. So we are sind deine Eltern. How old are your elders? Now, schreib. You have heard, no? You have read it in the beginning. Schreiben. Schreiben means to write. To write. It is verb. The first form of the verb. And schreib. Schreib means write. You write. Okay. No, write. We say you write. Write bald. Bald means soon. In English we have bald. Bald means someone who doesn't have hair. Okay. There. Okay. So schreib bald. Schreib bald. D will be pronounced as T, and I have heard German like L is here. It is very negligible pronunciation is there. Okay, it can be ignored as well. Okay, schreib bald means write soon. In fact, you write soon. Schreib bald. Shoes. Shoes means buy. Shoes. Shoes. Shoes means buy. Viele Grüße. Many greetings. Okay, good wishes, and then you can write your name. So that's all for today. One more thing, it is given, page number is given. Page number means Seite Nummer, page number. So here the spelling is also given. I would like to show it to you. 27 is given there, so it is written 27. As I told you in the beginning, like English, we do not read it like 26, 27, 28 like that. In German, we speak like that, like 21, 22, 23, 24, like that. So here it will be 27 means 7 and 20. The same way we learn or we read in Persian as well. No, yak wabist, do wabist, no, say wabist, chahar wabist, panj wabist, shash wabist, haft wabist means 1 and 20, 2 and 20, 3 and 20, 4 and 20. So here 7 und 20. 7 and 20 means 27. So that's all for today. It's very interesting. I at least cherish it. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you all. And please remember me in your prayers. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, Tissues.